what we woke up to this morning. There's even ice on the screen door. It's very, very cold out. It's like 9 degrees. And the wind chill feels like minus 24. Yep. And here you have it. Looks even up on the porch. We had a delivery, that's why that's all like that, but look out there. Oh, it's so cold. We got 3-4 inches of snow. It's blowing everywhere, even up here. They're going to come out and clean this off. The dogs are not liking it, which I don't blame them. It's cold. It is super cold out. It is freezing out there. First good snowfall of the year. I mean, we've had snow, but not like a major snow fall. That is. Okay, guys, first thing I'm doing is mixing up the peanut butter, powdered sugar to roll out with some Buckeyes. Just peanut butter balls, and you dip it in chocolate. Also known as peanut butter balls, if you want to dip the whole thing in, but that's how high ends we call them Buckeyes. Okay, I got it all rolled out, as you guys see. Now, I'm just going to do toothpicks and put it in the freezer for about half hour. Maybe longer. Ugh, that toothpick looks dirty. Who would do that? Gross. Yep, that's the help I'm getting. For now. It won't last forever. That way, when you dip the I threw it in my hand. Chocolate in. Guess what? Yes, they'll be nice and frozen and solid for the hot chocolate to melt. We got white cake in. We'll decorate for Christmas, which I'll show you that. Stuff them out. So much easier trying to get them out of that thing, I think. It's almost like putting candles in a cake, right? Oops, one under the tray. I was going to do apple pies, homemade, because I got a bunch of 3 bags of apples. But I ain't got no pie pan. I have 1 deep dish, so I might just make a deep dish apple pie. They keep rolling under the tray. Toothpicks keep rolling under the tray. Under the pan, I mean. So I might. Okay, we got a few more. And don't too bad, am I? I was going to count them. I was just going to see how many I made. Because I'm not making no more. This is all I'm making. We got so much goodies. And I got all the big pretzels up there done, as I showed you guys done in a video. We got lots of treats. I tried to roll these as little as I could get them. You know what I mean? It's kind of be bite size. They will help dip chocolate though. That's for sure. Whew. The oven's on right here. That cake in, it's making me hot, and it's freezing outside. I just looked again. It's -2 out. And feels like -21. And wood chill is below -30. Oh, Lord, is it cold. Only for tonight. Just make it through about 2 a.m. and it's supposed to stop. And it's going to warm up the whole 14 tomorrow, but it's better than being below 0, I'll tell you that. Way better. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, because Lord, I got to get in there and get wrapping done. Oh, I still got a ton of stuff to wrap. So much to do and so little time to do it in. I'll tell you that. Sorry if it was blurry, y'all. Didn't mean to make it blurry. It's getting a little too close, I guess. Okay, a few more to go. Almost there. Okay, there we have it. Next thing we'll do is chocolate. The cake is out. Doesn't rise very well. I don't know, I'm not sure why. And now we got chocolate chip cookies. Homemade from scratch. No box stuff. Going in next. Then I got bark to make. Decorate the cake. Dip the Buckeyes. And then we got chili on way over yonder, down at the other end of the counter for dinner tonight. And we're gonna make some cornbread with that. Oh yeah, that'd be good, won't it? I think so too. It'd be super delicious. Okay, guys, I got all the Buckeyes done. I got them in the freezer, though. I just put them in. I thought, oh, I forgot to show them. Filming for them. Some look pretty, some don't. I just said, I'm done making Buckeyes. I don't know why I can't get them right this year. I made them any other year, and they was just perfectly fine. But I guess as long as they taste good. Some of them got to be peanut butter balls. A couple of them. Oh, well. Whew. That is what it is, I reckon, huh?